Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video for you. This time, another unboxing. So yeah, stay tuned to see what I got this time. Alright, so I might have mentioned this in a previous video when I unboxed another item, but this is the second piece that I had purchased from Kim Jone's first collection with Dior Homme, and so I am really excited I was able to get it. So let me go ahead and open it. I have my blade right here, and I'm just gonna cut it open. It is a smaller piece. You guys got any guesses? Go ahead and open it. And so I did not buy this piece on the night of the release of the collection because it sold out pretty quickly. And so I was stalking the website and I saw that it was back in stock, and that is why I pulled the trigger then and I ordered it. Okay, so let me, still trying to open it up. Dang, this is so difficult. Alright, oops. So have you guys been able to get any of the pieces? Because they have been really hard to get. I'm just glad that there is more stock of this particular piece. Okay, let me show you guys. There is, oh look, it's like a tiny little box that are similar to the one that I got before. So in this envelope has my receipt in there and some other information if I wanted to return or exchange it. But let me go ahead and take the box out. And it's a smaller item and just tissue paper in there. So let me go ahead and just put this down for a second. And here is the box, how pretty it is. And I'm going to be careful not to ruin the bow. Alright. Ta-da! And here's a little piece of paper that says Controlo number 13. And what is this? Okay, so this is the card, or the authenticity card. But I don't know, there's a number down here. I don't know if that pertains to this specific item. But it does say Dior Homme on the front. But let's go ahead and get into the item, shall we? Okay, so at first I was a little bit skeptical about this piece as far as its value. But let me go ahead and show it to you guys, and I'll talk a little bit more about how much it costs. Okay, how am I going to do this? Let's do it this way. So let me pull this out first. Can you see that? It says, oh, this says CD. Let me just go ahead and take it out. So it is the little card case in the saddlebag shape. Go ahead and open it up and show you guys inside. Alright, so there is inside. It's really hard to see because it's black in there, but it is lined with leather. So this entire piece is leather. Let me see what this piece is called. It is called the keyring saddle, and there is the tag. Alright, if you guys are interested in getting it. But I did order this online, like I said. I did not go through the like calling a boutique or anything like that. But here is the piece. and it is black, and it has the contrasting white stitching, which at first I was not a really big fan of. I wish it was black stitching, and I'm a really big fan of, and now in the Dior world, the black on black is called ultra black, and so I wish this was ultra black, but yeah, what are you gonna do? But yeah, so here is the key ring part that you could basically put on your key ring. And yeah, there you go. So the price of this piece now, this is where I thought it was a little bit skeptical. So it's $900. Okay, so I did get a few people. Oh, and I have another control, like whatever. But there is a pocket in the back, so that's a really nice feature. And it is lined with fabric. Anyway, so I did have a few people comment on, so this is the bigger version of this piece. And they're saying that, you know, this piece isn't really worth how much it costs, which is $2,600, and this piece is $900. You guys can see the difference between the sizes of them. But to be honest with you, this is, I think, it's a work of art. It is part of Kim Jone's first collection with Christian Dior Homme. And yeah, anything in luxury isn't really worth what it, you know, costs to purchase. That's pretty much, you know, on the person who buys it, really, because everything has a price, and I wouldn't have bought this if I didn't think it was worth it. And apparently there's a ton of people that are still trying to get these pieces, and unfortunately they are, I think, pretty much all sold out online, especially, and in the boutiques. But they are constantly restocking, and that's how I was able to get this piece right here, is because I don't remember, maybe a few days later it did pop back up on the website, and that is when I decided to pull the trigger. And as far as the cost of these things, the women's saddlebags, they cost over, like, I think $3,400 or so. And so that's sort of where I justified getting both pieces, is because this one was $2,600 and this one was $900. And so I was saving up for this bag. I thought it was going to be more expensive than what it eventually was, and so I was able to get something else. So that turned out pretty nicely. And let me just show you guys, how am I going to wear this. So I was going to try to wear this as sort of an accessory on this bag, but it might be a little bit too much. So let me see if it looks, how about something, if I were to like do that, no, I think it's a little bit too much saddlebag. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I got. And the bag actually came with an authentic, what do you call it, a care booklet. I guess the smaller the goods do not. I'm still a little disappointed that I didn't get the holiday packaging, but maybe that's just the holiday packaging for the women's items. But yeah, oh, and like so on the back it does say Dior, just like its big brother here. You guys can see it says Dior there. So there is not a lot of logos on these bags, so you have to definitely know what these are to know what brand they come from. I mean, there is a big CD there. Could you see my eyes? But yeah, there's a big CD there on the buckle of this one, but not on, well, there's a CD right there also. But anywho, that's enough of what I wanted to come on here to talk to you guys about. But yeah, so here is my piece again. I'm excited to have it. And again, it is from Kim Jone's first collection with Christian Dior. And yeah, if you guys have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. And remember, until next time, just remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.